This channel do not condone piracy of any kind. Asking for, providing or discussing illegal download links is not allowed. Hello Game Daddies. Game Daddy here, and welcome to our channel where you're never too old for video games, and we're all about to dive into the world of emulation on Android. In today's exciting episode, we'll be talking about Winlator, Vita3k Android, Mandarine, Dolphin Enhanced, and Azahar. So grab your joysticks and game on. But before we start, if you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, please subscribe, and hit the notification bell icon so that you'll be updated with the latest news, tutorials, and anything about emulation on Android. Let's go. Let's talk about PC gaming on Android with Winlator. BrunoDev85, the author of Winlator, just dropped a new version of Winlator, Winlator version 9. In this update, BrunoDev85 added a new graphics experimental driver, Vortex. Added option to install components such as Box64, Turnip, DXVK. Improved ALSA plugin. Improved Force Fullscreen option that is useful for low-resolution games. Updated Box64 v0.3.2 release. Added workaround for Ghost Song. Performance improvements on X server and other fixes. If you want to test this new update, link is in the description box below, and expect for more game testing using Winlator version 9 in the next episodes. Just tune into Game Daddy channel. Next up, let's talk about PlayStation Vita emulation on Android with Vita3k. Daddies, we all know that it's been a while since Vita3k Android got an update and we still don't hear anything about Vita3k V13's released, but that doesn't mean that Vita3k devs aren't making any progress. Actually, Zangetsu is working on Silent Hill Book of Memories, Cladden's Return, Super Monkey Ball Banana Splits, Everybody's Golf, Mod Nation Racers Road Trip and other games as well. And not just that. They're also slowly implementing ad hoc features for Vita3k, so let's just be patient daddies, and as I always said, let's give the devs some time to cook the next update for us. Quickly, let's talk about Nintendo 3DS emulation on Android with Mandarine. Gamer64, the lead developer of Mandarine, announced that Mandarine won't be updated anymore till Azahar, the another work-in-progress Citra emulator fork, gets released. Mandarine will be rebased and reworked on. On top of that, Gamer64 decided to work toy with Dolphin MMJ. He added support for RVZ and WIA disk images. Added disk image conversion. Support for MMU plus massive JIT updates from Dolphin team that significantly improves its compatibility and performance. Implement VBI skip hack. Implement save texture cache to state, significantly improving state saves. Initial network interface support. Implement storage access framework filepicker. Massive updates to Vulkan headers and GL slang. Vulkan reworked command buffers. Added more tweaks and improvements. In the latest version of Dolphin Enhanced, version 1.1.1, Gamer64 fixed custom GPU drivers not being set. Correct custom GPU drivers sections, fixed custom GPU drivers not working. Fix in-app post-processing shaders not being shown. Backported features that has been considered the best. Frame buffer manager. Copy to color format for depth readbacks on GLES. DVD interface. Increase the latency for read commands. ARM64 emitter. Fix 64-bit TBZ, TBNZ encoding. And some extra features such as implement expand to display cutout option. Fix some minor UL design issues. Minor code cleanup and refactoring. If you want to try this new version of Dolphin Enhanced, I'll leave a link in the description box below, feel free to check it out. We're still talking about Nintendo 3DS emulation on Android but with Azahar. Azahar made an announcement regarding several important aspects of game loading. Encrypted game support will be dropped except for interoperability with titles downloaded through Nintendo's official applications such as the eShop and system settings. Cryptographic keys will be bundled directly into Azahar. .3ds file support will be replaced with .cci file support. We will no longer provide guides on how to create private copies of games, leaving the responsibility to the user. Files that were supported by Citra before. .cxi files decrypted or encrypted, with the user having to provide keys for encrypted support. .cia files decrypted or encrypted, with the user having to provide keys for encrypted support. .3ds files decrypted or encrypted, with the user having to provide keys for encrypted support. No eShop access. Files that will be supported by Azahar. .cxi files, decrypted only. .cia files, decrypted only. .cci files, decrypted only. This is the same file type as .3ds, the file extension had roots in piracy tools and we want to avoid it. If you have decrypted 0.3 deciseconds private copies already, just rename them. Ability to access eShop thanks to the included cryptographic keys. If you want to learn more about this announcement, just follow the link provided in the description box below. Inspire me to make more videos like this by subscribing to the channel.